Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We'll be providing you with 4 compelling reasons why the LG G3 might just be the TV you've been searching for. But before we dive into the details, we kindly ask you to take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any of our future tech reviews. Plus, all the links to purchase the LG G3 can be found conveniently in the description below. Now let's get down to business. Stronger processor. When it comes to showcasing a TV, highlighting the processor may seem unconventional, but trust me, there's a method to this madness. Enter the LG G3, a television that boasts some seriously impressive features, with its processor taking center stage. Why, you ask? Well, let me enlighten you. First and foremost, picture this. You're sitting down, eager to explore the smart TV functions on your brand new LG G3. Nothing kills the excitement faster than a clunky, slow interface. But fear not, because the i9 processor housed within the LG G3 is a true speed demon, ensuring that navigating through your TV's features is an absolute breeze. It's like having a personal assistant that anticipates your every move and responds with lightning-fast efficiency. But wait, there's more. The powerhouse processor in the LG G3 isn't just about making your TV snappy. It also takes charge of the AI duties, bringing a whole new level of intelligence to your entertainment experience. Want to transform your old media into glorious 4K quality? The processor's got your back. Need precise color balance to make every image pop? Consider it done. This processor is a master multitasker, effortlessly managing a multitude of tasks and ensuring that your viewing pleasure is second to none. LG knows that the heart and soul of any remarkable TV lies in its processor, and they've gone all out with the LG G3. Sure, it may not be as mind-bogglingly advanced as the technology driving their flagship LG Z2 and the upcoming Z3, but make no mistake, this 4K display is an unstoppable force. It's prepared to tackle any challenge, delivering jaw-dropping visuals and an immersive entertainment experience that will leave you in awe. So if you're searching for a TV that combines cutting-edge technology, seamless performance, and an unrivaled user interface, look no further than the LG G3. Get ready to embark on a journey into the future of television where every moment is enhanced by the sheer power of its exceptional processor. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. WebOS 23. Prepare to be amazed by the remarkable advancements of WebOS 23, LG's latest and most impressive user interface yet. This cutting-edge interface brings a host of enhancements to elevate your TV experience. With a sleek design and lightning-fast responsiveness, WebOS 23 delivers an intuitive and seamless user experience like never before. Gone are the days of complex navigation. The landing screen has undergone a significant transformation, offering a streamlined and simplified interface with easy-to-navigate menus. Finding your desired content is a breeze thanks to the intuitive layout and enhanced search functionality. LG has truly mastered the art of user-friendly design with WebOS 23. But that's not all. LG has taken organization to the next level by introducing app folders inspired by the best practices of renowned mobile operating systems. Now you can neatly categorize and access your apps, ensuring a clutter-free and visually pleasing TV screen. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to effortless organization. One of the standout features of WebOS 23 is its native support for popular streaming services. You no longer need to rely on additional devices or external streaming devices. With WebOS 23, you have direct access to a wide range of streaming platforms, including beloved favorites like Hulu, Netflix, and Disney+. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies with unparalleled convenience and ease. LG's commitment to continuous improvement shines through with WebOS 23. They have listened to user feedback and fine-tuned the interface to deliver an even more immersive and enjoyable TV experience. It's an impressive step forward in LG's mission to redefine home entertainment. Screen improvements. Get ready to feast your eyes on the mesmerizing display of the LG G3, surpassing its predecessor, the LG G2, in every way imaginable. Prepare to be captivated by a panel that not only reduces glare, but also expands the horizons of viewing angles, making every seat in the room the best seat. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the vibrant highlights that burst forth from the screen, all thanks to LG's revolutionary microlens array technology. Brace yourself for a visual extravaganza as colors come to life in a stunning array of brilliance. The LG G3 delivers a level of vibrancy that will leave you spellbound while maintaining a balanced heat output that won't leave you feeling hot under the collar. Bright colors take center stage, effortlessly commanding your attention and banishing any hint of washout that may have plagued previous models. While the color reproduction on the LG G2 was already stellar, the G3 takes it up several notches. It's a feast for the eyes that will make you question reality itself. Trust me, the screen alone is reason enough to make the LG G3 a worthy investment. LG Game Optimizer. Unlock the true gaming potential of the LG G3 and prepare for an immersive gaming experience like no other. With the ingenious LG Game Optimizer at your fingertips, this TV takes gaming to a whole new level. Gone are the days of screen tearing and compromised visuals. The LG G3 supports variable refresh rate, a feature that modern consoles like the PlayStation 5 offer out of the box. This means you can fine-tune your gaming experience, balancing performance and visuals to perfection. But here's the kicker. The LG G3 takes it even further, going above and beyond what most TVs can offer. At the heart of the gaming prowess lies the mighty LG Game Optimizer. With a simple click of a button on your remote, a world of gaming enhancements opens up. Tailor your gaming experience with optimized input delay, genre-specific settings, and even audio optimizations, giving you that extra edge over the competition. It's a game changer for competitive titles like Fortnite and Modern Warfare 2. With stunning visuals already at your disposal, why not push the boundaries further? The LG G3 ensures a solid gaming performance thanks to the power of the LG Game Optimizer. Lag is a thing of the past as this TV unleashes its native optimizations to deliver a seamless gaming session. No more blaming the TV for any hiccups during intense gaming moments. The only obstacles left to conquer are your network connection and your own skills. With the LG G3 as your gaming companion, nothing can hold you back. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up today's video, where we delved into the reasons why the LG G3 should be your top choice when it comes to upgrading your television. In a fiercely competitive market, LG continues to lead the pack with its innovative features and cutting-edge technology. With OLED displays becoming the industry standard, it's only fitting to choose the best of the best. Whether you're seeking a new centerpiece for your home theater or simply looking to elevate your viewing experience, the LG G3 is a fantastic choice. Available in a range of screen sizes, its performance remains consistent across the board. This television is an investment, and with the LG G3, you're investing in exceptional quality right from the start. As we explore the LG G3's solid performance and the ongoing improvements seen in each iteration of LG's lineup, it's clear that this TV is a solid performer that doesn't disappoint. So if you enjoyed this video and found our insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.